Well, hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to another video at Homestead. Before we begin, please like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. We got some bad news. But first, we got some good news. If you notice, Hunter lost his first tooth. He's almost 7 and finally lost a tooth. But the bad news. So he came in, I said, Hunter, I got to tell you some bad news. And what do you think it was?
Tyron Matthew is going to the Saints.
What if I said it was worse than that?
What is it?
What if I told you that Tyreek got traded to the Dolphins today?
Grandma, what does that mean?
How does that make you feel, buddy? Come here. Stand up here. How does that make you feel?
Is he your favorite player?
Hey, sit up.
Sit up, nobody can see you.
So, we won't get to go watch Tyreek Hill anymore at the Chiefs.
Put this back in the freezer.
You got a message for Tyreek Hill?
What do you want to tell him?
What do you want to tell Tyreek Hill? We'll tag him in this video.
You come back to the Chiefs, please.
Please.
Anything else?
Nah.
You're just pretty don't know what to say right now?
Nah. That's horrible.
So when you see him this summer at your camp, what are you going to tell him?
You're still going to have the camp, but he might be wearing a Dolphins shirt. You still want to go to the camp and see him? Yeah.
You gonna tell him?
He's going to tell him, bro, you really messed up going to the Dolphins. They stink. Well, I just wanted to let you know. It's official. Tyreek Hill's gone.
Why did he go to the Dolphins? So 2 players that are really good.
Well, they traded Byron Pringle away.
Oh, he was good. Number
2?
2?
No, number 13. To get Juju from the Steelers. Then they traded Tyreek Hill for 5 draft picks. And they may trade Tyron Matthew still. This is very bad.
I know. They better. Yes, or Kelsey. We cannot have those 2 players traded. Otherwise, we will not make it to the Super Bowl.
We may not make the playoffs, dude. So I just wanted to share that little bit of news with him. I knew he was going to be pretty upset. Some of y'all know we have, for his birthday, we bought him a ticket to the Tyreek Hill football camp in Joplin, Missouri this year. Well, we're huge Chiefs fans, and it's just not going to be the same. Tyreek Hill's supposedly still going to be there. They sent out an email shortly after this trade dropped because everybody was freaking out, I guess. I was freaking out. I was looking for a refund. They don't give refunds, of course. But they would give like a rain check type deal to another event if Tyreek Hill didn't come. But he's supposedly still coming, but it's not going to be the same, is it? It's not going to be the same. We're super bummed. So hopefully this video gets better and we go outside and there's more turkey eggs. So I'm going to go look right now. So on the plus side, the part is ordered for the tractor. Hopefully it'll be in pretty soon. We can finish this garden, get it all planted, ready to roll. Sis wants to go to see if we got any more turkey eggs. She's running with the feed bucket for Thor.
I do not match.
Huh?
I'm wearing boots and a dress.
I think you look cute. Where's Thor's food bowl?
He broke it.
What?
In half.
I got a feeling we're going to have 2 today. I would be completely just blown away if we got 3. I'm going to shoot for 3. I'm going to shoot for 2 and hope for 1. Oh, I don't see one. Darn it. Don't let him out.
I caught it.
Open the door. Well, there's a bunch covered up in there. I don't know if there's any turkey or not. I'm gonna go around this way. What up, hey, hey? Let's see. 1, 2, 3. That's it. What up, Tom Brady? Huh? What up, Tom Brady?
Tom Brady's the bigger one.
At least they're friends today. They must have worked everything out. Well, that's a bummer. No turkey egg.
At least we got one yesterday.
Yep, shut the door. Shut the door.
Oh, thank you, chickens. I don't want you to come out.
You don't?
No, I don't want them to come out. I don't like putting them up.
Why?
Because they run all over the place and you have to chase chickens all over the place.
Oh, here's your eggs. Doot, doot, doot. Well, that's a bummer. That's bad news. Huh?
Straight.
Yep, that's bad news times 2 today.
She loves attention.
She love attention?
Yeah. And Ellie. Which is coming. Never mind. Can't grab.
He'll just lay in your arms as long as you hold him.
I have a story about Shadow though. This morning, I heard meowing. This morning, there's another stray boy cat out there. There's fur all over the porch. They were fighting.
They're fighting?
Uh-huh, Shadow.
Well, I don't see any of Shadow's fur off, so
It was the other cat.
he must have won.
Well, no, I chased him off.
You did?
Yeah. Shadow tried to chase him way back there, but I told him no.
Ellie? Ellie?
Shadow. Oh yeah, and Ellie was trying to
Ellie?
protect Shadow.
Yeah, don't do that.
Ellie was trying to protect Shadow when the cat was doing
Really?
that. Shadow was like, Ellie wanted to protect Shadow.
All right, guys. Well, bad news. Tyreek Hill, you broke my boy's heart. So, but you became a very rich person today. But, how dare you? All right, guys. We'll catch you guys later on in this video. Well, we are back. I'm fixing to head up to the church. Me and some guys up there, we're going to do a little yard work for our, what you could call, grand opening this Sunday. We've been in this building for a little bit, but this is actually what we're calling the grand opening celebration. So we're going to have a big lunch afterwards. We have some guest speakers coming in, so it's going to be a great time. What's up, Thorsky? I'm going to look real quick before I do. And see. I think we got 2 turkey eggs today. What up, ladies? Well, we got one anyway, so we got one hen laying every other day, it looks like. I don't think there's any more over here. Nope. So I think we got one hen laying. They're typically lay an egg every other day. So I got 2 that's not laying right now. Good job. Good job. Good job, ladies. Yes, good job. Oh, about dropped one. Oh, it didn't break. It didn't break. It didn't break. What's Thirsty? They're wanting it. They thought it was going to break. They about got it too. 2 turkey eggs now. 2 days apart, so if I get one every other day, I've been waiting 10 days every other year before this one, but my hatch rate's not been great, so I'm going to back that down to 8 days and see if it does any better. Put these things in, hook up to the trailer, load the lawnmower, head on. I might show you guys a little bit of that. I think Our Rustic Life will be up there, and Dutch may be up there, gonna help out, so it should be a good time. And, well guys, how's it going today? I got some good news. The part came in to the tractor, so pretty soon we'll be putting that on, and then we can finish tilling this garden up again. Maybe we can start planting. But I was going to show you these baby chicks. They're getting huge, so check them out. Look how big them things are getting all feathered out. Got my part here. Just go time. Should have all the tools I need still out there, so hopefully this won't take very long. Bird pile's down quite a bit. Not too bad. All right, let's see what we got here. Better check this other side and see how it's on. So I've got to put it on twice. One side down, pretty easy, not too bad. So you can see here. I'll show you on this next one, but it's pretty simple. This grease cert is like a shaft. You slide it through there, and kind of hard to see this right here is the back side to where the nut thread's on. So I didn't pay attention, but I think those are two different sizes. So I think the front one needs to be shorter and the back one needs to be longer, and I think I have them flip-flops, so I'm going to pull them out and check. Got it. I better cinch her down with the old breakover. Woo! Just like that, she is good to go. I'd like to thank all of you guys for clicking on this video. Check out the next video if you want to see how she runs, because we're going to go work over the garden, take the rock rake over it, and we might start planting pretty soon. So that's all we got in today's video. Thanks for watching. Till next time. God bless.